Hello, welcome to the CATIA video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see some basic tools inside a CATIA V5. Now I am in the sketching mode. Now you can see the different tabs over here. Suppose you can see this start button. You can also switch different categories like shape, mechanical design, analysis, simulation from this start menu. You can also exit from here. You can also see this file options like file operations like new file, new form, opening new file and saving, also save as new file, all these things, print, all these things you can do from this file menu. You can also edit like undo operations, repeat operations, copy paste, and all these operations you can do by using this. View toolbars, you can see the different view toolbars like pan, rotate, zoom in, fit in, all these toolbars you can access through the view. Also these toolbars also present over here. You can see this zoom in toolbar, which is this is zoom out toolbar, this is pan toolbar, this is fit all in toolbar, and this is fly mode, and all these toolbars you can see at the bottom. Also here you can see this file toolbars like control plus n, that is new file, opening a new file. This is opening a already created file. You can save file from here, and you can also quick print. All these toolbars also present over here and also present inside this top menu. Now you can see this insert toolbars. You can see now we are in the sketching mode, so you will see the constraint toolbars. Okay, it's constraint, profile, and operation toolbars. Like in constraint toolbar, that is already present over here. You can see this constraint option over here. So what is under this, these two tools are there. The same tools you can access through this insert option and constraint. Okay, also you can see this profile option, profile, circle, conic, spline, line, axis, and point. You can see these options over here also: profile, rectangle, circle, spline, ellipse, line, axis, and point. Also you can see from insert you can go to the operation like corner, chamfer, then relimitations, transformation, 3D geometry. Same options you can see over here. This is corner, chamfer, trim, this is mirror, and this is project 3D elements. And all these options you can access from here also as well as here also. We have seen that if we by mistakenly delete any of the tools that we have inside this graphics, then we can click over here and click on the customize and then reposition them. Same, you can go to the tools, and here also you can see customize option, and here from here also you can go to toolbars and restore all contents and also restore their positions. So you can understand that you can do same thing by two different ways, by means of this menu tools as well as this option over here. So also similarly you can see that all the tools are present over here also, and inside a insert options also. So that's a speciality of CATIA. And if you use another softwares like Solidworks, then you will be known that in Solidworks at the top there will be tools, right? So you can't use the tools inside graphics. You can't put them inside graphics like we are doing over here. You can place them anywhere in CATIA, but you can't do so in Solidworks. You have to go there, access the tools, and then you can start doing those operations. But that will basically, this feature inside CATIA will save our time, and it will do the same thing in very quick time. That's why a CATIA is very user friendly and a more powerful software as compared to other softwares. Also the surfacing options inside a CATIA are too much, and they provide us more flexibility in design. That's why many organizations prefer to work with CATIA as compared to other CAD softwares. That's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials, we are going to see more video tutorials on CATIA. Thank you.